All right, so if you're like me, you fucking looked all over the fucking internet to find one simple question, and that's why will my spark plug not go back down on my spark? So in the following video, I fucking explain on how to fucking fix that, so you don't go and fucking tear off fucking spark plugs from other shit that you didn't have to do because you didn't examine the situation first. All right, let's get to the video. All right, got a spark plug that won't go back in its plug there. This part, you know, you ask a lot of people and they tell you something you don't want to know, but it won't go back, that won't fit back in. If you look there, it back into that fitting. If you first glance, there is I've taken one off of another boat I've got. This is what it looks like on the inside. So this is your boot, you know, and then you got this guy. Then it looks like this. This is what your spark plug goes down into. So the spark plug will easily fit into that. It is the piece of another spark plug. Has broken off in there. So what you're seeing here is actually not the fitting is too small. Actually, what you're seeing here is the tip of another spark plug has broke off in the connector. You can see there, it's actually just broke off in the tip right there. All right, so what I did was just took a screwdriver and just popped it out of there. Now we'll take the same little part here. Let's work without result, man. So we'll take the plug, pop it right back in. Boom. Make sure you check that mug before you go switching coils, so you don't end up like this motherfucker out here, because I didn't have to do that. I come out here and I'm trying to figure this thing out. I pull this motherfucker off and I didn't even have to. So before you go to fucking all with that shit, and I'm sure this works on anything, but yeah, that's it, man. Until next fucking time, let's fucking go.